Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare halwa without ghee, without butter, oil and sugar. This will melt in your mouth and will taste so good. For the recipe, take 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. Add enough water and knead this into a soft dough. The dough is ready. Add 3 cups of water into this. Let us leave this for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, it will become very soft. You have to dissolve this in water. It is done. Let us filter this. So here we have prepared wheat milk out of wheat flour. Leave this undisturbed for an hour. After an hour, the water will get separated like this. Carefully, you have to remove the water alone. Remove the water as much as possible and give a nice stir. This is our thick wheat milk. To this add 2 cups of coconut milk. Give everything a nice mix. Next we are going to melt the jaggery. Take 2 cups of jaggery in a pan. Add a 1/4 cup of water into this. Heat this until it is completely melted. This is done. Set this aside. Now take a pan, add the milk we prepared. Start stirring this. You have to stir this continuously until it becomes thick. Once it is thick like this, you can filter and add the jaggery. Start stirring this again. No lumps should be formed. You have to stir this continuously in low to medium flame until you get the halwa consistency. Here the coconut milk will get heated up and the coconut oil will get separated. Once you attain the halwa consistency, you can add few cashew nuts. Preparing halwa is a time-taking process. It will take more than an hour to get this consistency. You need some patience. Your hard work will not fail. This will taste so good. So here we have prepared halwa without oil and without single drop of ghee. Hope you liked the recipe. Do give a try. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.